In this video, we will learn how to generate AI videos for free step by step. So let's get started. First of all, type in the following address in your browser, vids.new. Or you can also use the link in video description. This is official product of Google called Google Vids. Then sign in using your Gmail account. Now you will get the following pop-up with some examples and it will ask you to choose the desired ratio such as landscape. You can see the example of landscape. Then if you click on portrait, you will get the example of portrait. And finally, you can also create square videos. For the demo purpose, we are going to create landscape videos. Here, click on blank video. Now, on the following page, on the right side, look for the following VEO option and click on it. It's a model by Google. On this AI model, you need to first choose the video flow such as create from scratch or animate an image. You can turn your image into video. We will create from scratch, so we will choose it. Then here it will ask you to add a prompt. We are going to generate a dinosaur video, so simply copy the prompt, then paste it here. You can adjust the prompt. You can also add an avatar and you can also add some images, but we will keep them blank and click generate. It will take some time before generating the video. The video is now ready. You can see the video is amazing and looks realistic. So this was this simple. Now we will move forward and create some other videos as well. Let's create video of countdown. Simply copy the prompt, click on view, then choose create from scratch and paste the prompt. Finally click generate. Then it will take some time and here you go. The countdown video is now ready. So you can generate any video you want by simply using the text prompt. You can take help of any AI tool such as Claude to give you prompt so you can generate better videos. For another example, we are going to animate Google logo. To animate it, simply copy the following prompt and paste it in the prompt section. Click generate and it will generate an amazing logo animated video for you. To get the prompt, check out the video description. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe for more.